Welcome back to M-tel again. Today we are back on the RS Turbo, refit the front panel. Basically in previous videos you saw me take the front panel off, cut it all off, trim it all up, get rid of the old panel basically. So now I'm going to be putting the front panel on, squaring it up, welding it on. Now what I've already done is I've already prepped the panel, so I've drilled loads of holes ready for plug welding, which go round here, down here, round here, and a line here, along here, one here, same on the other side. Now basically what you've got to do when you put this front panel on, you've got to basically square it up. I've already checked that it is level from point to point, so that's why I've leveled the car. Then I checked here at the very top, they are level. Check chassis legs, they are level. Now basically what the main important thing when you put a panel on is basically the headlights mainly bolt to the top front panel. So does the teeth for the bonnet, and also you've got these bonnet supportment towers that bolt in that the bonnet sits on. If you get this out of alignment, it will push the bonnet over and basically make the car look hideous. So you've got to make sure that this top panel, the rest of it doesn't really matter. Okay, the bumpers bolt through here, but if you get this out of alignment a bit, you can dremel the holes out a little bit, open them up, square the bonnet where you want it, the bumper where you want it to sit. The main important part is this top part of the car basically. Now like I've said, I've measured it, I'm welding it, so this part here and this part here are in total alignment with the side of these bonnets. So first of all I'm going to put 4 plug welds down this side, 4 plug welds down that side. That will seat the panel on. Once I've done that, I'll shut the bonnet, make it square, and then I'll clamp it down here, clamp it down here, and then I will weld around here, which will then fix the front panel in position. Then it can't sway from, because at the moment it can move from left to right, as you can see, but that's okay. What we're going to do is go through the tops, and this spot you've got to also make sure it's pushed right in, so it's right tight up here, and very tight up here, in the right position, and that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to weld it, going to get the gas on, and we're going to burn these 8 plug welds in across the top, 4 on either side. Front panel on, top of it. So, first section. Now we take hold of it. Simple as that. A little bit of tweaking. She's now level. A little push and pull on both sides. Car is still level. That's good. Right, so we're good there across the top. Now what we need to do, we need to check the squareness of this panel. So what I'm planning on doing now, I might get the grinder and buzz the sides off. Let's get my shades. Right, there we go. Front panel's on. As you can see, I've plug welded all the way around here, down here, around here, one there, down there, across the front, up. So she's all on. Nice and sturdy, not going nowhere, just how she's supposed to be. Perfect. So, that's how you fit a front panel to an Escort RS Turbo. Everything is straight, how it's supposed to be, lined up with the bonnet. Bonnet squared to the car, so that front panel is on nicely.